Hi there, welcome to this video. Looking to revamp your home with fresh, creative, and trending decor ideas. In this video, we are sharing 10 brilliant home decor tips that will elevate the look and feel of your living space. Firstly, let's talk about lighting. Lighting can dramatically change the atmosphere of a room. Swap out old outdated fixtures for modern designs that suit your style. Pendant lights, chandeliers, or statement floor lamps can become a focal points in a room. Rugs are a great way to add texture, warmth, and color to any room. Instead of sticking with just one, try layering rugs for a more dynamic and cozy feel. Pair a larger neutral rug with a smaller, colorful, or patterned one to create visual interest. This works especially well in living rooms and bedrooms. Transform your walls with bold, eye-catching artwork. Whether it's a large canvas, framed prints, or even DIY wall art, a statement piece can bring a room to life. Art not only adds character but also allows you to showcase your personal style. Plants are a must have for any home decor enthusiast. They bring a sense of calm, purify the air, and add a touch of nature to your home. Whether you prefer large potted plants like succulents or ferns, indoor plants can instantly freshen up your living space. Don't be afraid to experiment with color and texture in your home decor. Bold accent walls, colorful throw pillows, and textured blankets can completely change the mood of a room. Choose a color scheme that suits your style and play around with different textures to add depth and dimension. Mirrors are a great way to create the illusion of a larger room, especially in small spaces. A strategically placed mirror can reflect light, making the room feel brighter and more open. Choose stylish frames that match your decor theme and place the mirror opposite a window or light source for maximum effect. Floating shelves are a great way to add both storage and decor to a room. Use them to display books, art, or decorative items. You can also mix and match different shelf styles to create a more dynamic look. Use variety of fabrics, velvet, linen, wool, or leather to create depth and contrast in the room. For a truly unique space, mix modern and vintage furniture pieces. The contrast between sleek, contemporary design and timeless vintage items creates a balanced and eclectic look. Choose candles and scents for decoration of any room. Use scented candles or diffusers to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere with pleasant aromas. They also add a decorative touch. By incorporating these 10 home decor ideas, you can easily transform your living space into a stylish and comfortable retreat. Whether you are looking to refresh your living room, bedroom, or even your entire home, these tips will help you create a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel at home. Subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration, DIY projects, and design tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Up till next time, happy decorating.